This is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we'll be doing a quick video walkthrough of the all-new 2019 Boston Whaler 16 Sport. This boat has actually been redesigned from the hull up for 2019. So we'll take a peek and see what some of the new additions are. As you can see, this boat has the white hull sides, very large bimini top, perfect boat for a kids or grandkids to run around in, or even a family of 4 or more to enjoy a day on the water. Standard power is a 75 horse Mercury 4-stroke. This boat has the optional 90 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. See, very spacious cockpit, bench seat, ready for install the seats of your choice. Moving forward, do have a cooler to the port side of the helm, also offers as dry storage. Spacious cockpit forward, large forward casting deck with integrated anchor locker. Part of the redesign, taking combination from the 15 and 17, this boat is a full 12 inches wider than the next size down, the 13 Sport. Finishing up on one of the very nice last upgrades, this boat does have the optional windshield. And we now have the addition, just like on the 13, for gasketed dry storage, perfect place to throw a small bag, cell phones, wallets, etc. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others that we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman. I can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come on down, see this or any other of our boats we have in stock in person, or set up a demo and get on the water. Thanks. Look forward to seeing you soon.